Hey, this is Jake with Avi-on. Let us talk about favorites. Favorites is a custom list you create to easily manage your project by adding any device, group, or scene. As soon as you create a favorite, the favorite screen will automatically be the first thing you will see when you launch the app. Select the navigation icon in the top left and choose Groups. Find the group you want to add to the favorites list. Selecting the right arrow will bring us to the settings page of this group. You will see a star just below the name. Select it. Do this for all the groups you want to add to the list. Select the navigation icon in the top left and choose Favorites. The groups are now added to the Favorites page. You can now directly control the groups, devices, and scenes from this page. You can also arrange your favorites by selecting Sort in the top right. And that's how easy it is to create a favorites list.